Hi everyone, this is Leah from SharePoint Sapiens. In this video, I would like to show you how to send additional notification manually to enrollees or other users in our event management or employee training management app. You can use this option to send feedback forms, for instance, or some more updates and additional information. Basically, let's say I would like to send some more information for my charity event taking place in May. I can open this event from an organizer perspective and click on the 3-point, click on send email. Alternatively, I can click on manage enrollments and just open the page, select the attendees and click on send emails. You are really free to select the attendees you would like to contact. You can add the address for the reply and you can also add some more recipients if you would like to. You have the possibility to save emails templates. I will get back to that later. But in my case, let's say that will be a unique email I will send just once. I can enter the subject. Let's call that reminder run. I can copy my email in the body. Because I want to save that for the future, I will also click now on edit using classic experience, edit source, and copy the HTML source of the email. I can click on save and the email will be sent. Now let's say I would like to save this template for next year. I can go to site content, open the user email templates for event management. That's also valid for employee training management app, of course. And here I see all my saved templates. Let's click on new, enter the title. I would like to have it apply for the scheduled event. Also, you see the possibility to use placeholder if you need in your text. Very important to also add a subject. And I copied the body in HTML from which I copied from the classic experience. I can click on save. Now that it's saved, let's go back to the event and use this as a template. Let me go back to the charity event, open it, click on send email, select the attendees, and select the email template I need, in that case, the one which is called reminder run. The text appears, I can click on save, and it will send the emails right away to the attendees. If you would like to automate your emails and notification, you can use Power Automate to do that. This was an example to send emails and notification manually. Have a nice day and goodbye.